Hi, so what's up guys? In my previous video, I discussed what is callback in JavaScript. So callback is a function which we pass into another function as a parameter. Okay, so in this video we'll discuss how we can use callbacks to achieve asynchronous programming. So asynchronous means if I am going to do some task, okay, and I want to perform a method or a function, but I want to perform that like first my task is complete, then that function should work. Okay, that then after that function should run. Okay, so let's learn with an help of an example. So I have a article list of articles here. This is an array, and I'm going to render these articles, and I'm going to create a function for this render articles. Okay, here I'm going to iterate our articles and going to console the title for each article. Okay, item dot title. Okay, and I'm going to call this render article function here. So there we go. So it is going to print the titles whatever we have here. Okay, now suppose I'm going to call some API with the help of fetch or some XCS call, then I'm going to receive some articles from server. Okay, articles from server. Okay, and it is going to return id3 and rd4, and title name is article 3 and article 4. Okay, and I'm going to push all these articles into my previous article. So let's again create a function. Okay, append data equal to function. Okay, so here what I'll do, I'll iterate all the articles which I'm going to receive from the server, and I'm going to push into my previous articles list. Okay, one by one. Now then, okay, now we run this function append data and see. Now we are going to see four values in our console: article 1, 2, 3 and 4. But suppose this when we are going to fetch the data from the server, it is taking some time. Okay, so let's pass some delay here with the help of set timeout functions. And set timeout is an internal function in JavaScript which is going to receive a callback function and some delay. I'm going to give delay of 1 second here. Okay, now see, because it is taking time to append the data 1 second, so we are going to receive only 1 and 2 article. Okay, so this is the how callback function work. Okay, so now how we can again iterate for value. So we can use this function as a callback function. Okay, so this is a inbuilt function. So as per example, callback is a function which is going to pass another function as a parameter. So I am going to pass as a parameter this function as a parameter into another function, and I'm going to give some delay. Okay, 2 seconds. So means whenever this task will run, whenever the data will come from server and it is going to pass, it is going to append into our articles, then only render the articles. Okay, so now let's see, now we'll receive 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this is the how the callbacks works in JavaScript. So thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.